Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about how I decorated my bookshelves in our bedroom. Peter made the shelves and I just decorated it, and I didn't buy anything super expensive to decorate it with. I just used what I had, or I bought it for very cheap. So yeah, let's get into it right away. This is how all the shelves look from far away. I'm gonna get like a different angle this way over here. So let's start on the top. So that picture right there, it was originally brown around the corners like that, and so I painted it white, so it just kind of gives like a rustic look, so it's like very rustic looking. I love the picture, it's so pretty. I got it from a yard sale for very cheap. And then that basket I got from At Home, and then that little basket I think I just bought from like a thrift place. I forgot where I bought the little white basket, but it's very cheap anyway. The book is also from a thrifting place. The frame, there was a picture in there. I bought it a long time ago, so I just took the frame out so it just looks pretty without a picture in it. And then the little jellyfish I just got from was it Corpus Christi or Galveston, I'm not sure, but it's a little jellyfish inside. It's so cute, and it glows in the dark. And then I have this blanket that I got from Home Goods. It's so pretty, it has like a blue color to it and stuff. I just rolled it up really cute so these little parts were sticking out. And then these pictures, or these frames, I got from a thrift store, and then I just spray painted them black. Oops, I can't move that one. And the pictures inside of it I got from Hobby Lobby. I just stuck them in there, and then they match perfectly. And let's see. Oh, and then I got this little what do you call it? Drawer thing from my friend Marianne for my birthday. So I just put all sorts of stuff in here, and then I keep my clip-on earrings on top. Yeah, so that's, I just decorated the top with my earrings. And then I just have my wallet there. I just thought it looked pretty because it matched like my color scheme here. And then I just have a couple of books here. I have a devotion, another book, and then Scrabble. It's like the prettiest game of Scrabble. I bought it last Christmas from Barnes & Noble, and I really like it. It just matches everything. And then the candles are from my wedding. So those candles and the wood stumps or wood pieces, and those wood pieces are from my wedding. I just used them again after. I love the way they look, so I was like, might as well keep them. They look really good. So yeah, for my wedding, the candles for my wedding, and then I just thought my shoes that matched my color scheme would be perfect. So yeah, if you have good shoes, you can just put them on your shelf and it'll be like a decoration, but they're shoes, so you can wear them and you can use them as decoration, so it's like a win-win. Then I just used an old box from Aldo right here, just to, I don't know, it just looks pretty there. Their boxes are cute and I love their shoes, so I just decided to put that there. Then I have a little lantern right there. And then I love my curtains right here. So yeah, I bought, and then, oh, I forgot to tell you about that basket and that basket I got from At Home. They were a little bit more expensive, but I think they were worth it. They keep all of our like junk inside of it. And that one keeps like my swimming and winter stuff. Sorry, it's not focusing. There we go. And yeah, so Peter just put the shelves on, and then I stained them, and then that's it. They're not like the most professional looking shelves, but it's perfect for our room, and I loved how they turned out. So yeah, and we saved a lot of money instead of hiring someone to do the shelves. So yeah, I hope y'all like this video, and thank you for watching.